Welcome to the first Let's Build series. Today we are going to learn how to build these card components very quickly using Chakra UI. Now, cards are so common on many websites, and I particularly enjoy using cards to create UI components because cards keep content clean, beautiful, and they are easy for users to understand. Before we jump right into code, let's quickly analyze the structure of these card components. At the top is the image section. You also notice there's a nice border radius on this image, and just below the image is the tag section. These tags are stacked horizontally with some spacing of 12 pixels between them. Next, we have a heading with some top and bottom margin. There's also the body contents and a learn more button. Finally, we see that there's a white background box that holds the entire content. Now that the structure is out of the way, let's go into our editor to build it out. Here I've installed Chakra UI into our project. We'll start by creating the box that holds all of our content. From our design, this box has a width of 420 pixels and a white background. We also add in the required padding of 6 for this box. Chakra UI uses a spacing scale where one spacing unit translates to 4 pixels. So this is the same as 24 pixels. Now let's build out the image. We import image from Chakra UI and add our source and auth. Let's check out design again. We see it has a border radius of 12 pixels. This translates to XL using Chakra's design tokens. We add object fit as cover and center it by setting MX as auto. Next, we create the tag section by wrapping hTag around tag. We also create a tags array containing waterfall and nature, which are the tags, and we map over this array. So let's check this and see what we have. At the moment, the tag has a variant of solid, but we need to change this, so we give it the variant of outline. And on the hTag, we add in a margin top of 5 and a spacing of 3 between each tag. Quite easily, we can add in our heading component, giving it a margin top and bottom of 4. Right now, it seems the font size is still a bit large. The font size from our design is 30 pixels, and that is equivalent to large in Chakra UI. So let's add that in. Yeah, this is more like it. We add in our body text and our button. From the design, our button is blue, so we give it the color scheme of blue. We also notice that our button needs to be centered. We can do that easily by grabbing the center component from Chakra UI and wrapping it around our button. We add in the required top and bottom margins. Now let's check what we have. Let's do this. Let's give the rest of our background a different color so it's easy for us to visually separate the card from it. We can also center the card. Yeah, this came out looking perfect, just like how it was in the design. That's it, folks. Our card component is complete. You can go further to create multiple cards like this and use it on your website or application. Find the code for this card in GitHub. Description is below. Till next time, bye.